every assignment. So whenever you get the message about the assignment, then the link is active only for 2 days. You are supposed to complete it within 2 days and submit, right?
Yeah.
Now I think it's not active no more, but I want the solution. So you will do it on your copy and you will share me the pictures, clearly write question numbers, and then you will send me.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, because now holidays are also coming. So please do the assignments which are already uploaded on the portal. All right. So which question we were doing, Martin? Exercise 8.1, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
How many questions we did?
We did, I think, more than 4.
Where's your copy? Are you
Okay,
maintaining a copy?
sixth one, we complete the first one. Seventh one.
Seventh one we have to do, right?
So we completed seventh one.
Seventh we
Eighth.
completed. Okay, yes, we did this question. Eighth one now. So are you maintaining a notebook, Martin?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now 3 cot A is equal to 4. It is the same type of question, Martin. One of the ratio is given, right? So the first thing is to find all the 3 sides of the triangle, correct? And then
Yeah.
you can find the other ratios, whatever you need. So that means cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Understood? This is given, correct?
Right.
Okay. Now you draw a triangle, any right angled triangle. Okay. So A is obviously an acute angle. So you take it here, A, B, and C like this, or A, B, C, wherever you want, correct? Okay. Now write the trigonometry ratio for cot of A. What is cot of A? Tell me the ratio.
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me what is the formula? I mean, what is the trigonometric ratio for cot? What is the relationship of cot and the sides of the triangle?
Cot equal to 1 by tan.
Yes, 1 by tan is fine, but how is it related to sides?
P by P.
Base by perpendicular, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Base by perpendicular. Okay, now A is this angle. So which side is base?
ma'am, it's AC.
Good. And perpendicular?
Perpendicular is BC.
BC, good. So that means this AC by BC is 4 by 3, which is given, correct? Yes. So every question we do like this, right? So from here I can say that let AC is equal to 4 of x and BC is equal to 3 of x, correct? So I've got this side 4x, I've got this side 3x. So my first step will be to find the hypotenuse, correct? The third side. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square will be how much? BC is 3x whole square plus 4x whole square. So AB square is equal to, this is 9x square plus 16x square, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So AB square is 25x square. And then you take square root. So under root of 25x square. So AB will be how much?
AB will be 5x. 5x.
5x, yes, good. So you have got this side also, which is 5x. Okay. Now see what you have to do here. So you have to check whether, you know, this 1 plus 1 minus 10 square and this is equal or not. So basically you will check the LHS and the RHS and you will see whether
Okay.
they're coming out to be equal or not, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So you can see you have to find the value of tan A first of all, then cos A and sin A, right?
Okay.
So let us find out tan A first of all. So what is the trigonometry ratio? Tell me the formula for tan.
Tan, it's P by B.
P by B, right? Good. So P by B means perpendicular is BC and base is AC, right?
Yeah,
Now
ma'am.
BC is 3x and base is 4x. So tan A will be 3 by 4. So we have got the value for tan A. Now I need value of cos A. Tell me, what is the trigonometric ratio?
B by H.
B by H. Good. Now base is again AC and hypotenuse is AB. Now AC is 4x, hypotenuse is 5x. So this is 4 by 5. Now also find sine of A, because you can see there's a sine A also. What is the trigonometry ratio?
Assign it is B by
Yes,
H.
yes, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is BC divided by AB, hypotenuse. Now BC, you know, that is 3x. This we have found 5x. So this becomes 3 by 5, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so we have got these three ratios. Now see what is the LHS here in the question. So we check how much is the value of LHS. So LHS is this 1 minus 10 square A divided by 1 plus 10 square A, right? Okay, now put the values. So 1 minus 10 square A, that means what is the value of
All right.
10A? This is 3 by 4. That means 3 by 4 whole square. Understood? This is 10 square
All
A.
right.
Okay. Now 1 plus again 10 square A, that means 3 by 4 whole square, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Now
ma'am.
you will tell me what will I write in the numerator?
Numerator 1 minus
Hmm.
9 by 16.
Okay. And here,
1 plus 9 by 16.
okay. Now what will I do?
And rational.
Yeah, in the numerator, how will I solve it?
Now we can add 1 in the side. You can add 1 plus 9 by 16.
Mm, sorry, please say again.
You can add numerator side. You can add 1 plus 9 by 16.
Oh, yeah, so how will I add 1 plus 1 minus 9 by 16 and 1 plus 9 by 16? What?
Rationalizing the denominator.
Sorry?
Rationalizing the denominator.
Rationalize the denominator. Mm, will it not be simple if I simply subtract it? Why go into
Oh, yeah.
rationalization? We do rationalization we have when we have square root in the denominator, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, if you do rationalization, you already have 1 by 9 by 16, right? You will multiply it with 1 minus 9 by 16, then you will get such a bigger number, 9 into 9 and 16 into 16.
True.
So what is the point of rationalizing here? Again, you are making it difficult.
So these directly subtract.
Hmm? Yeah, so how will I subtract 1 minus 9 by 16?
Cross multiply. Cross.
Cross multiplication. Can I multiply like this?
Yeah, 1 by 1 you
Hmm.
can do.
1 by 1 and
A minus 9 by 6.
can you just write it in the copy and send me the picture, what you are saying?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Yes, Martin, are you sending?
Yeah, ma'am.
16
can
minus
answer.
9 by 16. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically when you have fractions and you're adding or multiplying, so you always take LCM, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so finally you got just a minute, 16 minus 9, so you have got 7 by 16 and then you have got 25 by 16. Okay, so what will I do now?
Now we can do like reciprocal.
Yes, okay, so what will I write?
16 by 7 into 25 by 16.
16 by 7. No, 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 not like this. So, Martin, whenever you have fraction upon fraction, the thing is the outer ones are multiplied together, right? And they go
Oh
into the
yeah.
numerator. So, it will be 16 into 7, right? And the inner
Okay.
ones are multiplied together and they come in the denominator. So, 25 into 16, correct?
All right.
Yeah. So, basically 16 will get cancelled out and you get 7 by 25 as the left hand side. Okay. Now also check the RHS. So RHS is cos square A minus of sine square A. Now put the values. So cos A we have found, right? 4 by 5. So 4
Okay.
by 5 whole square minus sine of A is this 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 whole square. So I have 16 by 25 and minus 9 by 25. So same denominator. So take LCM will be 25. So you will get 16 minus of 9 and that is 7 by 25. So LHS is equal to RHS, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So hence we can write that 1 minus 10 square A divided by 1 plus 10 square A is equal to cos square A minus of sine square A. Okay, done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ninth question now. See again, same type of question. All the questions are same. One of the ratio is given, right? In a triangle ABC, right angled at B. So basically you have to draw the triangle like this. The right angle has to be B. Okay. Then the other will be A and C, correct?
All right. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. If tan A is 1 by root 3, so one of the ratio is given. Tan A is 1 upon under root 3. Good. Find the value of this. Sin A cos C cos A sin C. So that means first of all you have to find what is the first step, Martin?
Ma'am, we have to tan A equal
So
to
first step
square A.
is always to find all the three sides of the triangle, correct?
Yeah.
The same thing we are doing in last questions. So many questions. So the
All right.
first step is to find all the three sides of the triangle. So once you know all the three sides, Martin, you can find any ratio, right? Cos, sine, cosec, tan, cot, whatever you want to find. So always find all the three sides first of all. So we start from here, write the formula for tan. What is the
By
trigonometry
B.
ratio?
B by B.
Perpendicular by base. Okay. Now, which side is perpendicular? You will tell me now, which side is perpendicular?
Perpendicular angled at B, right? So it's BC.
BC. We don't see right angle. We see this angle. Of which angle we are taking the tan, correct? We are taking
Yeah,
the
tan
tan of
A.
angle A. So we will look at angle A here. So BC, correct. BC and the base will be AB. So that means this BC by AB is 1 by root 3, which is given. Okay. So from
Yes,
here
ma'am.
I can write. So this implies that BC is equal to some x or 1 into x, you can say, or AB is equal to under root 3 of x. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So two sides I have got. This one is x. This one is under root 3 of x. So find the third one. Use Pythagoras theorem now. So AC square is AB square plus BC square. Tell me the value of AC.
AC is
Solve it.
okay. Ma'am, 2x.
2x. Are you sure?
Yeah.
AC is 2x. Should I check?
Yes.
I don't think it will be 2x, Martin.
Okay.
It should be 4 because from here I can see, Martin, this is under root 3x and whole square, correct? And this is x whole square. So under root 3 into under root 3 will become 3x square, and then you have plus x square. You're not doing minus, so you will be getting 4x square. Oh, you are right. This is AC square. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so AC you will get under root of 4x square, that is 2x. Okay, that is right. All right, so 2x you have got. Now all the three sides you know, right? So you can solve whatever you want. So first part, what we have to find? Sine A cos C. Sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. So first of all, we will find all these ratios. So first, tell me the value of sine A. What is the trigonometry ratio for sine?
Sine it is p by h.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, which side is perpendicular now?
Sine A, right? Yeah. So perpendicular is A, AC.
AC is always hypotenuse. That is the longest side. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Perpendicular is BC.
Good. BC and AC. Okay.
AC.
Now what is BC? This is x and AC 2x. So this is 1 by 2. Right. Now we find cos C. What is the formula cos C?
Cos C
What is
it's
the trigonometry ratio first of
B
all?
by
Then
H. B by H.
base by hypotenuse. Okay. What is the base now?
Base is it's BC.
Very good. BC and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always AC, right? That's
Yeah.
the longest side of the triangle, and the side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, that is hypotenuse. Okay. BC is again x, and this is 2x. So this is 1 by 2. Okay, now find cos of A. So cos is again B by H. Now tell me what is base this time?
It's AB.
AB, good. And hypotenuse is AC. So this time you have root 3x and divided by 2x. So that is under root 3 by 2. Now you find sine of C. So sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now what is perpendicular now?
Perpendicular is BA.
A, yes, AB or BA, good. And divided by AC. So under root 3x and divided by 2x. So that is again 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2. Now you write this expression you want to find. So sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. So put the values. Sine A 1 by 2, cos C 1 by 2 plus cos A is under root 3 by 2 and sine C is again under root 3 by 2. So that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, right? So 4 is the LCM, and you get 1 plus 3. So you get 4 by 4 and you get 1 as the answer.
Yeah, let me just write this.
Yeah, so just put the values. So second part you will try yourself. Same. First find all these four ratio, cos A, cos C, sin A, sin C, and put the values. Okay.
Okay.
Because figure will be the same. You have already found all the three sides. Just find like this, all the four ratio and put the values. So you will complete this. Now question number 10. Now in triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So there is a triangle which is right angled at Q. So the 90-degree angle is Q. So other are P and R. Okay. PR plus QR is 25 centimeters. So something is given that PR plus QR is 25 centimeters. So this is a bit different kind of question, right? The starting point is a bit different. The trigonometry ratio is not given, but sum of side is given in this question. And PQ is 5
5
centimeter.
centimeter.
Okay, one side is given. And you have to find sine p, cos p, and tan p, right?
All right. Yeah.
So basically the first thing is to find all the three sides of the triangle, right? Then we can
Okay.
find whatever we want. So one side, you know, that is 5 centimeter. Now, how will I find PR and QR? Mm.
Pythagoras Theorem.
But for Pythagoras theorem, at least two sides you should know. Then you will be able to find the third side, right?
True. Yeah.
Okay. See, the starting point will be the Pythagoras theorem. You are right. Right, because nothing else I can do here, right? What will I do? I don't know angles, I don't know the side measurements. How will I find? So we start from here that the Pythagoras theorem is basically PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm interested. Now what is given to me? This PQ value is given to me. So I'll just keep this PQ on one side and I'll take the other things other side. So PR square minus of QR square is equal to PQ square, correct? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now can I write this left hand side like this? I have an identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B,
Yeah.
right? So I can write this PR plus QR into PR minus QR, right? And this is equal to PQ, PQ whole square, right? Now you can see this PR QR value is given. So this value is 25 centimeter, right?
Uh,
Into PR minus of QR. And PQ is again 5. So 5 whole square, right? Okay.
okay.
5 or centimeter whole square you can write here. Centimeter whole square. So 25 centimeter into PR minus of QR is equal to this. You get 25 centimeter square, right? 2 centimeters are there. So your PR minus of QR will be equal to 25 centimeter square and divided by 25 centimeter, right?
Okay.
So 25 will get cancelled out. So only 1 centimeter will remain here. So PR minus of QR is equal to 1 centimeter. So you have got two things now. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PR minus QR is 1 centimeter, right?
Okay.
So basically I have two equations, correct?
Yeah.
Let me call it equation number 1 and let me call this equation number 2. So if I simply add equation 1 and 2, what will I get? Adding 1 and 2. So PR plus PR, so I get 2 PR, right? Sorry,
Yeah.
2 PR, okay. And plus QR minus QR, so QR will get cancelled out, right? On the right hand side, I get 25 plus 1, that is 26 centimeters, correct?
Yeah.
You can do it directly or you can write it first of all like this. If you don't want,
You can
better
also
you,
like
yeah,
do the
you,
Pythagoras theorem all over again.
no, not all. I'm not doing Pythagoras all over again, right? We did Pythagoras to obtain equation number 2 that I have got, right?
Yeah.
Now this was the equation 1 was already given in the question and equation 2 I have obtained from Pythagoras theorem, correct?
All right. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm just adding equation 1 and 2. So I'm again writing like this, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. This is equation number 1. And PR minus of QR is equal to 1 centimeter. So if you don't want to do directly, you better write it. Now add it. You are simply adding, right? Sorry, adding, we don't write
Yeah.
signs here. Simply add them. So you get 2 PR and QR minus QR will become 0. And right hand side, you get 26 centimeter, correct? Any confusion here?
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
no.
what is the,
We just
no
use
confusion?
limits.
See, basically I'm adding, right? So
No, no.
QR plus minus of QR, if you add, so ultimately you get QR minus of QR and you will get 0.
That's
So
equal,
this,
right? So we can.
yeah, so this term will becomes 0. Okay. So
So it's
PR, yeah. So PR will become 2 will come in the denominator. So 13 centimeter. So I have got this side to be 13 centimeter. So PR I have got. Now put this value of PR in any of the equation, you will get the value of QR. So putting in second, I'm putting this in equation number second. So PR is 13 minus of QR is equal to 1 centimeter, right? 13 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So 13 minus 1 centimeter is equal to QR. So 12 centimeter is equal to QR. So QR value you have got, that is 12 centimeter, correct?
yeah.
Is this correct? Okay. So
13
I have,
plus 1, right? Because you're taking the other side.
no, I'm taking 1 here and I'm taking QR here. So QR has become positive this side and 1
Okay.
will come here, it will become negative, right? See,
Okay.
QR was minus
I
here.
see.
So on the right hand side, QR has become plus and 1 will become minus, right? Okay.
Okay.
So I have got QR. Now I've got all the 3 sides of the triangle. Now I can find any ratio. So you have to find the value of sine P. Now tell me, sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is which side perpendicular now?
No, it's QR.
Very good. And divided by hypotenuse is PR that you can see.
Yeah.
So put the value. QR is 12 centimeter. PR is 13 centimeter. So answer is 12 by 13. And similarly, you will find the value of cos P and tan P. So you will complete this. Okay.
Okay.
So this question was a bit different, but it was good question.
Yeah.
Okay. So question number 11, Martin, I will be doing after completing exercise 8.2 because I don't know why it is given here. Before doing 8.2, you cannot answer this one, right? Okay. So this exercise is complete. So I hope you will remember the trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan,
Alright.
cosec, sec, cot. So in the first exercise, you are
Method.
supposed. Yeah, so please remember this sentence, parents, baby, Priya is happy, happy baby. So this will help you to remember all the ratios, correct?
Yeah.
Which I gave you. So first exercise was based upon this, trigonometric ratios. Now come to the second exercise. Exercise 8.2. Now again you have to remember few more things, something new for this exercise. In the exercise 1, Martin, we were generally taking any of the angle, you know, sine theta, cos theta, correct? So theta can have any value. It can be 1 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, whatever. So it's not possible to remember the value of sine for every angle, isn't it? So we take some specific angles, but we have to memorize their value because then we have to solve questions and we should know how to use those values, etc. So we take some specific angles. First of all, 0 degree, we try to remember. And after that, 30 degree, 60 degree, sorry, not 60, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. So these 5 angles you should know, correct? That what is the value of sine 30 degree, what is the value of sine 60 degree, like that. And similarly for the others also, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, correct? So there's a table which you have to remember. So you draw a table like this. On the left hand side, write all the ratios, sine of theta, you can say, and cos of theta. Then you have tan of theta, then cosec theta, and sec theta, and cot theta, right? Okay. Now here we take the value of theta. So first value is 0 degree. And then we write the value for 30 degree, theta 30 degree. Then 45 degree, and then 60 degree and 90 degree. So you will make a table like this in your copy. Now I'll tell you how to remember this. Yeah, this much written, Martin?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you start from sine. So sine you have to remember. There's no choice, right? Sine theta you have to remember. So sine 0 is 0 and sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So this you have to memorize like this: 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 like that. Correct?
All right, yeah.
So you will just say it few times: 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. That way you have to remember. Okay. Now come to cos. Cos is just inverse. So cos 0 is actually sine 90. So you start from 1, then under root 3 by 2, 1 by under root 2, then 1 by 2 and 0. That's right.
All right, yeah.
Just in the reverse order. So these are cos values. So if you know sine, you can write the cos values also. Okay. Now tan again you have to memorize. So tan 0 is again 0. And this is 1 upon under root 3. Then you have 1 and here under root 3. And this one is not defined. We write infinity, correct? Or not defined. So again, so sine and tan you have to remember, right? So tan is 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and not defined. Now cosec we know this is cosec theta is 1 by sine theta, correct? So we do reciprocal of every number here. So what is 1 by 0? What is the value
Not
of 1 by not defined? So this will be not defined. Okay. So 1 by 2. So reciprocal will become 2, correct?
yeah.
1 by under root 2. So this will become under root 2.
Right.
This will become 2 by under root 3. And 1 by 1 will remain 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now sec, you know, this is 1 by cos. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So you take reciprocal of cos values now. So 1 by 1, 1. This is 2 by under root 3. This will be under root 2. This will be 2. And now 1 upon 0 will be not defined. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now cot is 1 by tan, you know. So you know the tan values. So 1 by 0, again in not defined. This will become under root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. This will become, 1 by under root 3. And 1 upon infinity is how much?
1 upon infinity is 0.
Yes, 0. So this is the table you have to remember. So basically sine and tan you have to remember, right?
All right, yeah.
Yeah. So whenever you have these questions, so see, when you will be doing questions for a few months, I mean till your board, so many values you will be able to memorize. You don't have to draw
Yeah.
this table again and again. You will be able to memorize them. But in case you get stuck, so better you quickly on a rough page, quickly draw this table and then start solving your questions, right? That's the trick. So sine and tan you have to memorize. So sine is 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. Tan is 0 1 by root 3 1 root 3, not defined like that.
All right.
Okay. So please keep this table in front of you now and we will be doing some questions from exercise. So, have you written?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now exercise 8.2. First question. You can see, Martin, it's a direct application. So I think I'll take up third part, right? Third part is cos 45 degree and divided by, then you have sec 30 degree and plus cosec 30 degree. So simply put the value. How much is cos 45?
Cos 45 is 1
1.
by 2.
0 half 1 by root 2. Yeah, 1 by root 2, correct. Okay, then divided by how much is sec 30?
30 is 2 by root 3.
How much? Quick.
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. Okay, plus cosec 30?
Cos 30 is 2.
2. Okay, so you have put the value. Now rest is all simple calculations. Okay.
Yeah.
This much was from table. Now simple mathematical calculations are there. So in the numerator, you have 1 by under root 2. Now denominator. So you take LCM because you are adding fractions, right? So
All right.
LCM will be under root 3 this time. So you get 2 plus then 2 into under root 3, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so 2 plus 2 under root 3 will remain like this. I mean, you cannot add them, right? This is step.
All right.
Okay. So you will do under root 3 into 1 and divided by under root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Got it? So I have just, multiplied the outer terms and I have multiplied the inner terms. Any problem here?
No.
No? Or you can rationalize the denominator as well. I'll tell you both the way to do it, right? So this is under root 3 divided by, can I take like 2 common from here? So 2 under root 2 I'll get, and then I get 1 plus under root 3, right? Yes, Martin, any problem? I can't hear you. Yes, Martin, I can't hear you. Are you able to hear me? Okay, okay. Fine. Yeah, okay. So now you have to rationalize because you have an under root term in the denominator. So you can rationalize it, right? So this will become under root 3 divided by 2 under root 2. Then you have 1 plus under root 3, right? So that means you can multiply with 1 minus under root 3 and 1 minus under root 3. Fine?
Okay.
Okay. So in the numerator, I get under root 3 into 1 minus of under root 3. And in the denominator, I'll get, so this 2 under root 2 will remain. So this will become, a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square, correct?
Okay.
So this will become, 1 square minus under root
It's
3 square.
rationalizing denominator, right?
Yeah, we are rationalizing denominator.
All right.
Because I have like 1 plus under root 3 here, right? I want to
Yeah.
remove this root 3 term from the denominator. So I'm rationalizing it because I have 1 by root 3. So I'm multiplying this by 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3, both numerator and denominator. Correct?
Okay.
Okay. So in the numerator, it will be written like this, and in the denominator, so this term combined with this term will become a plus b into a minus b. So that will become a square minus b square. Got it? Okay.
Okay.
So here I get this under root 3 into 1 minus of under root 3 and then 2 under root 2, and this becomes 1 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I'm doing it here. It's not very organized, but anyway. So what I'm getting here, Martin, is under root 3 into 1 minus under root 3 and divided by 2 under root 2. And this is 1 minus 3 is minus of 2, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So put it in the bracket because this is multiplied here. So basically this becomes 2 into 2, 4, right?
Yeah.
So have I done it correctly?
Ma'am, the other method is also all right. Better. You can use, can we use the other method too?
Which method?
The top and bottom multiplying.
Top and bottom are?
We can use that method also, no, the multiplying top and bottom.
Yeah, actually after that also on multiplying again, I'm getting this term in the denominator, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the calculation a bit neatly. I
All right.
actually, this is a bit messed up. Although
Sure.
we are doing it right, but we should do it a bit neatly now. Again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, I just erased the values. Again, tell me the values, please. This was 1 by under root 2, if I remember, right?
Yeah.
Cos 30 was 2 by under root 3, and this was cos 2, right? This was I was having.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now let's do it. So this is 1 by under root 2, right? Divided
Oh,
by, now take LCM. So LCM will be under root 3. So you get 2 plus 2 under root 3, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now, so this under root 3 will be multiplied by 1 in the numerator, right?
Yeah.
And this under root 2 will be multiplied with this 2 plus 2 under root 3.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Next step. So I have under root 3 divided by, can I take 2 common from the bracket? So I get 2 root 2 and
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
1 plus under root 3, right? Okay. Now let us rationalize it. So I have got root 3 divided by 2 under root 2 and then 1 plus under root 3. So I'm multiplying the numerator and denominator by 1 minus under root 3 and divided by 1 minus under root 3. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why do
So
we just not do that?
yeah, simple, this same thing. So I have under root 3 into 1 minus under root 3 and divided by, so 2 under root 2, and this becomes a square minus b square, right?
All right. Yeah.
Okay, so that becomes 1 minus 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so this becomes under root 3 into 1 minus under root 3, and this 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 multiply with this 2 will become minus of 4 under root 2. Is this clear? In the
Yeah.
denominator. Okay, now again I have 1 under root 2 in the denominator. So again I can do one thing. Can I just multiply this like this? 1 minus under root 3 divided by minus of 4 under root 2. So if I just multiply under root 2 into under root 2, any problem?
Um.
Both
No.
numerator and denominator, because I want to
LCM.
remove.
LCM.
No, not LCM. This was the final step, right? Now I want to remove this under root 2 also from the denominator. So again, I'm
Okay.
rationalizing. I'm just multiplying and dividing by under root 2 under root 2. Any
Okay.
problem?
No. No.
Okay. So in the numerator, I'll get this under root 3 into under root 2 will become under root of 6, right?
Okay.
Under root of 6 and then 1 minus under root of 3, correct?
Okay.
Okay. And so this minus sign I can write outside here. And in the denominator, it will become 4 into 2, isn't it? Because we have
Yeah.
under root 2 into under root 2. Okay.
It, okay. You wrote the minus sign there.
Yes. Okay. So now multiply this. Okay. Just keep this minus sign here. No problem. And put a bracket if you want, right?
All
Because I
right.
have a minus sign outside. Okay. So put this minus sign. Now open the bracket. So I have under root 6 and then minus. So under root 6 into under root 3. That means under root 6 into 3. Can I write like this?
Yeah.
And the denominator is 8. Correct? Okay. So this becomes minus under root of 6 minus. See, under root of 6 can be written 2 into 3. And then I have another 3. Right?
Okay.
So basically 1 3 can come out. So this will become 3 under root 2. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Martin? No,
2
if
into 3.
see here, Martin, this under root of 6 into 3, I can break 6 into 2 into 3, right? And then,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So when you have a pair of the number, so one of the number will come out and rest will remain in the square root.
Yeah.
Yes. So this
Yeah.
will become 3 under root 2 and divided by 8. Now you take this, open the bracket. So the first term will become minus and the second term will become plus 3 under root 2 and divided by 8. That is the answer finally. you have to do the calculations on your own, right?
Yeah.
So then only you will be able to remember like where you get stuck. So then see the copy, but first try to solve it yourself.
All right.
See, the first step was so simple. You simply have to put the values cos 45, sec 30, and
Yeah.
but the calculation was a bit trickier here, right?
Yeah.
So don't think the question is so simple. I'll simply put the value and solve. You should do good practice of solving. Good, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So can you try the other parts if I leave?
Yeah.
Okay, let's come to question number 2 now.
All right.
Choose the correct option and justify your choice. Let me do the fourth part. So you have 2 10 30 and divided by 1 minus of 10 square 30. So find the value first of all. It will become 2. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3, right? And 1 minus, again, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square this time. So this will become 2 by under root 3 and divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this becomes 2 by under root 3. Now take LCM. So 3 minus 1. So you get 2 by under root 3 divided by 2 by 3, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this will become 3 into 2 and 2 into under root 3. So 2 will get cancelled out. So you get 3 by under root 3. So that means 3 means under root 3 into under root 3. So 1 under root 3 will get cancelled out and you will get under root 3. Yeah. Any confusion, Martin?
Mm, just have to put the values. That's it.
No, put
I
the
can
value
rest.
and solve it. Yeah.
Let's note this down.
No problem.
Okay.
These are only calculations, right? The first step, you put the value of 1030 and then just solve it. So finally, I have got under root 3. Any confusion at any step here?
3 by root 3, like how did it?
Okay, 3 by root 3. So 3 can be written as under root 3 into under root 3.
Oh,
Yes. So 1 root 3 will cancel out. So only under root 3 will remain.
I see. Okay.
Because you have under root 3 in the denominator. So I'm trying to split it that way. Okay. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am, completed.
Completed. Okay. Now you have to check which option is matching with it. So the first option is what? Cos of 60 degree. Now what is the value of cos 60?
Cos 60 is
Half.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Yeah. So it's not equal. So no, this option is not the answer. Second, you have to check sine 60. How much is sine 60?
Yeah.
Root 3 by 2. Right? So this is also not the answer. Now you check the third. C, sorry, this was A, B, and C like that. C is tan 60. How much is tan 60? That is root 3, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So C is the correct option. You can check for D also if you wish. D is sine 30. Sine 30 is half. So this is not the option. All right.
Okay.
So that way you have to check all the 4 options. I mean, you will see which value is matching with the left hand side.
Yeah.
Okay,
This
so
second one, right?
this is second question, fourth part.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this third part, now see the third part of the question, Martin. This is sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Right?
All right.
Can you see the question in the book?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So you have to check for which value of A this is true. So you take the first option A, that is 0 degree, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
0. So you check it for 0 degree. So this will become sine 2 into 0 is equal to 2 into sine of 0, right?
Okay.
So this becomes sine of again 0 degree, 2 into 0 is 0. So basically this is now the complete angle, right? So sine 0 degree is equal to 2 into sine 0 degree. How much is the value of sine 0? Is 0. And 2 into 0 is again 0. So I think for 0 degree, this is true, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So A should be the correct option here. All right.
Oh, yeah.
You can
It's
check.
so.
You can check the other 3 options also. For example, the B option is what? 30 degree, right? So if I write like this, sine 2 into 30 is equal to 2 into sine 30. So this becomes your sine 60 is equal to 2 into sine of 30 degree, right? How much is the value of sine 60? 0 half 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, this is equal to 2 into sine 30 is half. So you have got root 3 by 2 is equal to 1, which is not correct. So
Yeah.
B option is not there. Like that, you can check the other options also.
Yeah, I'm just writing this down.
Yes, okay.
Completed.
Completed. Okay. Now let us do the third question also quickly. Okay. Third question. So this is given that tan of A plus B is equal to under root of 3, right? And this is also given that tan of A minus of B is equal to 1 upon under root 3, right? Okay. So you have to find the value of A plus B, and it is given that A plus B, basically, we find tan of theta, right? Tan of theta is equal to something like that we write, Martin. So we assume that this theta is acute angle, isn't it? So when we draw a right angle triangle, so one of the angle is 90 degree, right? Right, Martin? Yeah, please unmute your mic, Martin.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I didn't know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
So one of the angle is 90 degree, then only trigonometric ratios are found. And then these two other angles are acute angles. So that we know. So basically the A plus B, the whole A plus B should be less than 90 and should be greater than 0, which is given in the question. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And also it is given that A is greater than B. So A is the larger angle. It is also given. So you have to find A and B. So this is simple. Okay, so tan of A plus B. Now tan under root 3 can be written as 10, how much? Okay, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So tan 60. Can I write it like this?
Yeah.
Under root 3. So basically, this implies, I mean, from this step, I can say, see, if I'm writing that tan theta is equal to tan of 60 degree, correct, Martin?
All right.
Now, when I'm writing this equal to sign, so that means this whole side is same as this side. So that means theta is 60 degree, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
Then only I'm writing them equal. So from here, it implies that A plus B is equal to 60. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one I can write that tan of A minus B. Now 1 by root 3 is basically tan 30. So this step implies that A minus B is equal to 30. So this is your equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now solve them and find the value of A and B. Can you do that?
Which one is one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Can
so we
you?
just have to find A and B.
Yeah, you have to find the value of angle A and B. Now tan is gone, right? These are simple linear equations in two variables.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can solve them, find the value of A and B. So what? Obviously, the larger value will be the angle A, because in the question it is given that angle A is greater than B. All right.
Okay.
So I'm leaving it for you. And the question number 4 and the remaining question number 10 of exercise 8.1 that we will be discussing in the next class. And next class, I think Tuesday will be a holiday, Eid holiday. I don't know. I mean, whether we have a class or Saturday is a holiday. Yeah, Tuesday, I'm not sure. You will get information from the office, right?
All right. Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, Martin, now you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.